Chinese pronunciation, consonant. Today we practice the challenging one, letter R. Yeah, that might be the most complicated one, right? Yeah, let's do it. Letter R, the pronunciation is R, R, R in Chinese. Let's talk about the difference between the Chinese R and the English R. Actually, the tongue position is the same. The difference is mouth shape. The English one is rounded mouth. So like right? But the Chinese one, no. But same tongue position. If we know that, right? So it's easy to find how to pronounce Chinese R. Okay, let's practice. Okay, first, let's pronounce English R like in right, red, right, right? Slow motion, just the first part. Okay, second step, keep the tongue position, but, try to move your lips. Okay, like this. Spread it. Yes, that's the Chinese letter R. Okay, let's do that again. So first, English letter R. And then keep the tongue position. Don't move your tongue, just move your lips. Yes, you get it. That's the Chinese letter R. Okay, there's another way to practice. If you can do the American accent, letter R after a vowel, like hard, word, hard. Yeah, this one. So you can try to pronounce the R after a vowel. For instance, hard, right? Yep, just keep that. Hard. Yes, that's the Chinese. Okay, first, try to do the American accent R, right? R. Yeah, just lost that sound. Yes, that's Chinese. Okay, for instance, 然后 and then 然后自然 nature 自然人们 people but plural 人们认识 recognize 认识热水 hot water 热水如果 if 如果牛肉 beef 牛肉容易 easy 容易 date 日期 that's a special one. Remember the rule? Letter I after Z, C, S, or ZH, CH, SH, or R, letter I is silent. So RI is just letter R. R is not Z. No, there's no Z sound in Chinese. R, 日期 date. Same. 日本 Japan. 日本 By the way, at the same time, So even some native speakers, some Chinese, feel that it's complicated to pronounce the correct r. Many people, especially from the south, will use a lazy way to pronounce that. They will pronounce r like r, r. So that's easier, right? So how to pronounce that? So that's a similar sound as the like pleasure or vision, like that as in English. Pleasure, yeah, that or vision, yeah, that. Yeah, that nowadays that pronunciation is acceptable, is correct. So you can pronounce R in this way. Yeah, like the English pleasure, vision, that S. Or like the French letter J, like yeah, like that sound. For instance, let's see the word people, right? Person, 人. Actually, that's a standard, typical pronunciation. 人, But nowadays, many people pronounce that like 人, Yeah, it's okay. 人, 人, both are correct. Okay, guys, if you like these videos, don't forget subscribe. Thank you.